Hey, this is Sean Callagy, 2020 Vision, creating dreams and breakthroughs, crushing fear and distortion. And we're at a spot of ultimate representation of crushing fear and distortion and creating dreams and breakthroughs in Germany at the Berlin Wall. And this spot right here is referring to holding our dreams. And what comes up for me as I'm here is certainly hearkening back to days of incredible tyranny and oppression of human freedom, of life, of choice, which was really rooted purely in fear and distortion. And this is some ultimate examples, in addition to some atrocities obviously that occurred here during the Holocaust in Germany, but also the fact that people have overcome. And the wall is torn down, it's now decorated in art fully, but it's also remembering the lives that were lost, clawing and trying to climb to freedom for the decades that this wall was erected. As I was thinking about on my way over to the wall today, about my own freedom and our freedom in so many places around the world, and there's still so many people in physical tyranny and physical oppression, like the folks in East Germany and the other communist nations faced in the walls that were before them. But what also came up for me was my own choices about my freedom and thinking about our freedom, your freedom, and what we have in this life. As I'm here at Business Mastery 2 with Tony Robbins, and we're talking about dreams and acceleration and all of these things. And it also brought up for me the places in my own life where I've erected walls and barriers, certainly not like the physical oppression and life and death struggle that the folks had behind this wall, but the places that we can create our own prisons of our mind and oppress ourselves and build our own barriers that, well, they're not physical, they're mental and emotional, that keep us from the things that we want in our heart, our freedom, our dreams, and our breakthroughs. So this sensational Saturday, in this moment of remembrance and empathy and caring for the people and the lives and the time and opportunities that families suffered through and people suffered through, I think for all of us it's also a time to reflect, at least for me I think, and maybe for you, on the places that we have in our past and even our present have erected these barriers that are keeping us from exercising the incredible freedoms that we have to live a life of more abundance, more love, more time, more magic, more fulfillment, whatever the more is for you and the people that you love and want to share it with. So on this sensational Saturday, I know that I and perhaps all of us out there are all just learning to see. I wish you an incredible day of reflection and really taking your life, your emotions, your thoughts past any wall or barrier that you've erected. Hey, I'm Sean Callagy. Have an amazing day.